Have you ever thought about what you're gonna do when your Airstream gets a flat tire?
What is up, you guys? It is Lauren and Sam. We are from A Little Bit Unhitched, and today we are very excited to share with you a little bit about the Air Gear tire changing kit.
Many Airstreamers don't know this, but your Airstream does not come fully equipped with a tire changing kit.
Now, it may come with a lug wrench, but that is actually not enough to be able to properly change your trailer tire. And as full-time RVers ourselves, we know the importance of not being stuck in the middle of nowhere, unprepared, like Wyoming, in the middle of the night, with no shoulder. And that was not a hypothetical situation.
Air Gear, thankfully, thought of everything that you need to successfully change your trailer tire. And if you're not in the mood to change your trailer tire, it actually comes with an instruction manual in the kit so that someone can help you change it.
So what's actually in the kit? First and foremost, safety. Now, the chances of you or somebody you know having to change your tire on the side of the road is very high. And Air Gear has included an extremely bright vest so that they can do it safely. Now, it's possible to be seen from outer space with this thing, so make sure you do wear sunglasses.
The kit also comes with a really nice torque wrench that can go up to 150 foot-pounds of torque. Now, this is important because the lug nuts on your Airstream will require about 100 to 110 foot-pounds of torque.
Now, it's really important to keep this thing in its case because that will make sure that it keeps its calibration even on the bumpiest of highways.
The kit also includes a wrench and then an extension that goes between the wrench and the sockets.
And it also comes with the correct socket sizes. They have a 21mm and a 19mm socket. Depending on which year of Airstream you own, one of these will work.
The later models of Airstream are using the larger sockets, but again, they thought of everything, so the kit includes both of them.
The kit also comes with a tire pressure gauge, which is very important when checking the tire pressure of your spare. It also has an instruction manual in case you're a little bit rusty at changing a trailer tire. I still reference those every single time I do it, so just to make sure I'm not messing it up. They also have a YouTube video. Air Gear put one up, and it's super helpful. We'll leave the link for that if you want to reference it.
You can find this Air Gear tire changing kit by clicking the link here or checking the link down in the description. And you can also find dozens of other products at the Air Gear store that help you travel safer and smarter.
Great. And as we like to say at the end of our things, happy trails.
Happy trails.